won't. Boy, don't even try to touch this. Boy, this beat is crazy. This is how they made me. Houston, Texas, baby. This goes out to all my girls up in the club, rocking the latest. Who would buy it for themselves and get more money later? I think I need a barber. None of these niggas play me. I'm so good with this. I remind you I'm so hood with this. Boy, I'm just playing. Come here, baby. Hope you still like me. Pay me. My persuasion can build a nation. Endless power. Without love, we can devour. You'll do anything for me. Who run the world? Girls, girls. Who run the world? 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 Girls. Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run the world? Girls. 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 It's hot up in here, DJ. Don't be scared to run this back. I'm rapping for the girls who are taking over the world. Help me raise a glass for the college grads. 41 rolling to let you know what time it is. Check, you can't hold me. I work my 9 to 5, gotta cut my check. This goes up to all the women getting it in. You want your pride. To all the men that respect what I do, please accept my shine. Boy, I know you love it. How we smart enough to make these millions, strong enough to bear the children. Then get back to business. See?